If you're in network marketing, you need to know where your leads are coming from, who's clicking, and from where. Unique feature AI Viral Downline offers is their promo dashboard. You can create a campaign for any business, not just an AI Viral Downline business. So in this case, I'm going to create a campaign just for AI Viral Downline. There's my link, but you can put whatever link you got in there. Um, my lead gen secrets, save club, whatever. Here you go, put your test campaign. Put whatever name you're going to put in there just so you could follow along. This is test. I'm going to delete it in a second, but make sure that's good. Up at the top, click it. Make sure your link is working. If it's wrong, just edit and click that it's wrong. When you're done, green is good to go. So click that. First thing I like to do now is go to that green button on the left where it says test. Right click, copy it. Here I clicked it just to make sure that it's working. Okay, it works great. This is the link that I wanted to show. Whatever you link, hopefully it worked there. Otherwise, you could edit it. And from here, like I said, just give it a right click to copy it. I refreshed the page so you can see as soon as I saw it, it updated in real time and showed one person saw it. If I go back to the campaign and refresh again, unique stays one because I'm the unique viewer, but now two views, two raw views. Is that how that's updating? Anyway, that'll break it down for you and let you know where people are coming from and which links are being successful. Hope that helped. Welcome to AI Viral Downline if you are here on the team. So glad to have you, and I'll talk with you soon.